incredibly excited for our faculty and our students because this is such a unique building. The Knight STEM building has learning facets at every angle. Going from right in front of the building on our sidewalk, we have angles purposely cut in so that algebra and geometry students can come out and figure out the angles. To at the end of our hallway, we have a monitor that's going to depict all of the energy that's being used on our campus. Great learning opportunities in the building, and then on the outside of our building, we also have rain barrels where we're going to be collecting rain in order to water all of the plants and things such around our campus. As you walk in, we have warm colors, but we have beautiful lab space for all the children and the teachers. Inside of our algebra classrooms and our math classrooms, we have exposed ceiling tiles so that students can see the structure and all the elements of mechanics and so forth, so that we can then again learn as we go forward.
STEM is different than a traditional curriculum in that A, it's integrated. It takes science, technology, math, and engineering concepts and brings them all together in a more real-world type of a situation. And what we're really trying to do here at Holy Comforter is prepare kids not just for next year and not just for SATs, but to meet the challenges that they're going to face in the next 50 years.
Starting from the beginning, we're looking at our Earth and working from the inside out. So the kids from grades K all the way through 5 are working on projects and answering questions and doing research that looks at the different layers of our Earth. It's absolutely a collaboration between students and teachers, between students and our community, and the resources in our community that can bring that information to the kids and make it meaningful for them to solve and to research and explore real-world situations to show them that they really can make a difference.
STEM is not fixed. What you're learning is not just by itself. It's fluid, and we go from one to another. A student might ask a question, and we'll actually use that as a teachable moment and say, okay, let's find that out, and then we'll go into that. STEM is a way of thinking. We want to make sure that the students are not just physically involved, we want them intellectually involved also. I teach the students foundational information, skills. What they then need to learn is how to use those skills, and they do that through discovery and through inquiry learning. For example, we learned how to use triple beam balances. The next lesson was for them to figure out how to use it in an everyday way.
I think that Holy Comforter being willing to take this initiative and lead from the front is critical in the development of the school. And I think all of us can feel really good about the direction that we're moving here and the education that we're providing our kids. It's going to be relevant, it's going to be rigorous, it's going to be important, and it's going to set them apart from a lot of their peers.